stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
This weekend was meant to be different. A river trip, a casting, a breath of fresh air. But life, as it does, shifted course. So instead, Khalifa turned inward and chose to focus on what she did capture. A quiet glimpse into where she is, where she's been, and where she hopes to go. The exhibition at her school featured student work from every level. First, second, third and fourth year, along with masters. It was a visual journey through growth, the progression, the complexity, the narratives told through form and material, and tucked somewhere between it all was Khalifa's work, small, perhaps, but undeniably a beginning. This was her Courtyard project, one of her first major undertakings during first year. It introduced her to scale, to the user experience, to structural thinking. It wasn't easy, it stretched her. But seeing it on display served as a reminder. Even the smallest steps matter in the larger journey. This was her box project, completed for Head Studio. Inspired by the work of TADAO Ando, she aimed to create something functional but deeply expressive. A box that didn't just contain, but held meaning and intention. Seeing it displayed beside the work of peers she admires felt surreal. Not because it was flawless, but because it existed. Because she made it. Standing before the master's work was humbling, awe-inspiring, and, at times, overwhelming. The complexity, the clarity, the way each detail carried purpose. But that feeling wasn't reserved just for the final year students. The second year work showed growth, thoughtful forms, explorations into material and meaning. It was clear they had pushed past the basics and were beginning to ask deeper questions. By third year, things shifted again. Projects were bolder, more resolved, experiments turned into statements. There was a sense of confidence in the risk-taking, in the ability to stand by an idea, even if it was unconventional. The fourth year work spoke of identity. You could see students beginning to speak in their own design language, personal, deliberate, bold.
over even if I'm asleep. Wake me up in my dreams. When you find me in my sleep while I'm dreaming, and you come behind me, remind me why I am the one to play. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. All up on it, early in the morning. You deserve a man who will do it how you want it. I want you now. I need you Please, if you feel me, throw your hands. This is 7 o'clock. Yeah. I want you now. I need you now. I want you now. I need you now. I want. I need. 7 o'clock in the morning. All I want you to do is get on top of me, for me, yeah, 'cause I'm all up on you. All up on you.
And then the master's work. It held a kind of stillness, quiet but firm. The kind of design that doesn't shout, but lingers in your mind. In the quiet of that space, Khalifa found more than admiration. She found direction, a whisper reminding her, keep going. These are the levels she aspires to, not just in technical skill, but in creative bravery, in clarity of vision, in belief. Khalifa isn't chasing recognition, she's learning to chase intention. Her dream isn't fame, it's to be a patron of thoughtful design. Design that holds people, that tells stories, that responds with care. Design that shapes how we live, how we feel, how we grow. This wasn't the weekend Khalifa had imagined, but it gave her something more valuable, clarity. And if all she can offer in this moment is a glimpse into her growth, then she continued to show up. One video, one project, one breath at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.